Did you know that the water pressure in your home could be silently damaging your plumbing system? That's right. High water pressure, while it might feel like a luxury in the shower, can actually wreak havoc on your pipes, fixtures, and faucets. And we're not just talking about the occasional drip or leak. Over time, excessive pressure can burst hoses, damage appliances, and even lead to costly repairs around your toilets and sinks. But don't worry, there's a simple solution that can save you from all that trouble. A pressure regulating valve, or PRV. A PRV is a small but mighty device that helps regulate your water pressure, keeping it between the optimal range of 65 to 75 psi. This might not sound like much, but it makes a huge difference in protecting your home's plumbing system. By maintaining the right water pressure, you'll not only extend the life of your fixtures and appliances, but also reduce the risk of pipe bursts and leaks. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your home is safe from the silent damage high water pressure can cause. At Anthem, we specialize in ensuring homes across the Coachella Valley stay comfortable and safe, and part of that is protecting your plumbing. Whether you need a PRV installed or you're dealing with high pressure issues already, our team of experts is here to help. Anthem offers comprehensive plumbing services designed to keep your home running smoothly year-round. With over 20 years of experience in the HVAC and plumbing industry, you can trust us to handle your home's needs with care and professionalism. Don't wait until a plumbing emergency strikes. Protect your home today by giving Anthem a call. Our team is ready to install a PRV and safeguard your plumbing system before it's too late. Visit our website or call us at 951-389-5151 for Inland Empire, or 760-895-2621 for the Coachella Valley to schedule your service. Your home deserves the best, and at Anthem we make sure it gets exactly that.